9, 8, 7. RS-25 engines lit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. The crew of Artemis II now bound for the moon.
For the first time in 53 years, NASA is sending astronauts all the way to the moon. They're going further than any human has ever traveled, and they'll hopefully see parts of the moon like we've never seen them before. Here's what they're gonna do on their 10-day journey. Someone just texted me, are you covering Artemis II? Yes, in fact, I am covering Artemis II.
Literally right now.
Right now! Okay. For the first 24 hours, they're gonna stay on Earth orbit and check out all the systems and make sure everything's working. Then they're gonna fire their rocket engines and set on course for the moon. It'll take them 3 days to get there, at which point they'll slingshot around the far side, taking photos as they go. Let me show you what they'll see. We here on Earth only ever see one side of the moon, the near side, because the rate at which the moon rotates around the Earth means we never get to see the far side. The Apollo astronauts flew around the far side of the moon when it was dark, so they could land on the near side facing us in sunlight. The Artemis mission is totally different. They're gonna fly past the far side and see it for the first time ever in sunlight. We do have photos of the far side of the moon from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter and other spacecraft, but the human eye is much better at picking out color and brightness differences, and that can tell us a lot more about the geology and evolution of our nearest neighbor. We want to know as much as we can about the moon because the whole point of the Artemis missions is to build humanity's first base there. So one of the goals of Artemis II is to see how well the Orion capsule keeps the astronauts safe. Because once you leave Earth orbit, you're in deep space. And that comes with exposure to a lot of radiation. There's radiation sensors all through the capsule to figure out what they're being exposed to and when. And the astronauts are giving blood and saliva samples both before and after the journey. And then they're going to test to see how things have changed in their bodies. Are there changes to things like their immune systems? Another really cool way they're doing this is with things called organ chips. So they've taken bone marrow cells from the astronauts, and they're going to fly some of them in space with the astronauts and leave some on the ground, and then afterwards compare them to see what changes there are. It's an experiment that's never been done before. It's called Avatar. It's all about personalized medicine, knowing what happens to your particular body during spaceflight. And scientists want to use it to try to protect future astronauts on future space journeys. After the flyby of the moon, the astronauts will spend about 3 days flying back to Earth. They've got a heat shield to protect them and parachutes to slow them down, and the capsule will re-enter Earth's atmosphere and splash down off the coast of California, where they get scooped up by the Navy. I'm about to leave for Houston so I can cover this mission from Mission Control. I'm really excited to talk to scientists and bring you the latest from the mission, the pictures from the far side of the moon as it happens. Follow along here at Nature.